got to cut out some J underneath the soffit. So we'll put a slip joint in here and an outside corner in here, and then this goofy piece up here. So cut your 45, cut your nailing trough back at an angle, making sure to go back past your 45. And then you're going to need to mark for your mitered corner. I'm going to cut that back just a hair. I don't need quite that much. Would have been fine, just sometimes it gets annoying having extra sitting there. Now we're going to cut out our trough. Cutting a little past our line. And then cut down right here. Nail that into place, and then as soon as I get this other piece of soffit in, we'll be ready to tie in there we go. As soon as we get that other piece of soffit in, we'll be able to do the other side of our mitered corner. Perfect. Let me get this piece of this fascia cut in here, and then we will do our piece of J that's running up right there. So now my fascia's in. So now I want a piece that's going to be just a hair longer than what I'm after. Right there. Take your pencil, slide it into the trough of what used to be the trough here. Mark the inside of your 45. The outside of your 45, and then as you can see, just trace this little line right back there. And again, you want like an inch, 3/4. Some people do even like 2 inches, which is crazy to me, but have it about right there. Pull her down. First, cut this right here. So this is going to be your 45 on your outside. I try to get it in one snip so it's nice and clean. And then just roll your nailing flange just a little bit. Now cut in line here. Hold her down. Clip this corner off. And then here, cut your line that you marked on there. Perfect. And then what you're going to do is this is going to slide in. And you're going to push it right over the top, just like such. And if you went a hair long like I did, just take your snips and cut her off flat, just like that. There you go. Locking 45 miter cut. Looks beautiful. If you like this video, like and subscribe.